Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how we rank this pool business #1 on Google. Now, we ranked this website #1 Google last August, and after ranking their website #1, we actually doubled their sales. Now, this is excluding our Google ads, this is excluding our local search ads, and this is excluding their Google business profile, right? Just from this website, organically they generated these leads. Now I'm going to show you proof of this, right? First of all, I already show you the website which most of the agency owners own show, especially on YouTube, but I'm also going to show you the backend data. So if you go to our tools where we actually record all the calls, this tool is actually for the customer so that he can track everything. We did set up for him, and you can see how many leads we are actually generating. So you see, this is our number, right? 689, stuff like that. If you go to our website, you can see the similar. I just don't want to click on this because I just don't want to add a fake click because this might affect our search. I don't know, because I'm from a different location. Okay, so you can see that this is the number. This is our number, 689-219-4619. Please don't call on this number. This is my client's number, so I just don't want other people to call except from his clients or potential customers. So you can see the same number here. So these are the calls we are generating. Now I'm going to show you this magic. Look at the calls, look at the calls, look at the calls. I'm going to the next page. Look at the calls. Calls. Look at the next page. We're generating crazy amount of calls. I can go all and on and on, next, but I'm just going to show you, I'm going to show you a recording, right? So this call went for 4 minutes. So I guess this is a good client. So let's hear you guys this recording, right? So you can say that like these leads or these customers that are calling are really, really interested customers. They're just not fooling around. I'm going to show you a few more leads that actually come from like contact from submission. So just listen to this.
Please hold while I try to connect you. For company.
You should jump up.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a company who is able to renew my pool. I just drained the pool and it looks very ugly inside.
Okay.
And I want to ask tile. At this moment, the pool doesn't have tile. It has just like surface with granite.
So you get the point, right? I can show you more recordings, but I'm going to show you something else. If you go here, this is our data. So how many clicks we are getting? So 95 clicks this month, last 28 days. So don't think like 95 clicks, oh, that's not many traffic. Understand this, that 95 clicks are coming all for the same keyword, which is pool resurfacing Orlando, pool resurfacing in Orlando, pool remodeling or in Orlando. These keywords are super, super expensive to run ads. Each click will cost you $30 to $50. $30 to $50. You wanna see? I'm going to show you how much it charges. We can go to Google AdWords and see these keywords and see how much they're gonna charge you. Even up to $80, because each of the service cost $5,000 to $10,000. And our client, he tried to close them within like $10,000 range. So this is why Google Ads is so expensive for each click, like literally $30 on average. Now just count this, 95 into 30. These all clicks came from organic. I'm going to show you more. The last 3 months data. Last 3 months. You can see almost 250. Look at the clicks we were getting for him. And look, what sort of keyword we're ranking. So we're not ranking for something random. We're ranking for something that actually matters. So look at this. Pool resurfacing Orlando, we're ranking for pool resurfacing near me, pool resurfacing, Orlando pool resurfacing, fiberglass pool resurfacing, pool renovations, Orlando pool resurface, stuff like this. That's why we're getting so many calls, so many leads. Look at the clicks. 12 people clicks on 20th February. No, sorry, 12 people. Yeah, right, 12 people. 7 people click on Friday, and now it's Saturday and Sunday is happening right now, so not many clicks. But I'm going to show you more leads. Let's go. Okay. So this is the email that we use only to collect leads. So every time people go on our website and submit a contact form, an automatic email comes to this email. So for example, look at this, look at this, look at this. Every email that has a title with pool resurfacing Orlando, these are all leads. These are all leads. And these are not spammy leads because we verify if it's spam or real people, because they have to verify by, selecting all those images to make sure they are not bot. So all of these leads are actually humans and qualified leads. So I'm going to show you some. Look at this. Look at this. Please text to make an appointment. Thank you. They add their name, they add their email, phone number, their address, and text. I'm going to show you more. See, phone number, address. I'm engineering manager at blah 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 hotel, and we're looking for some options to resurface our pool. This is basically a commercial lead. This is a commercial lead, guys. Probably if he closed this deal, he's probably made a lot of money because they don't just do a small pool. Like they have multiple pool or they have a big pool. So you can guess how much money this guy made. He told us after working with us for 2 months, he doubled his sales, and he's still skyrocketing his sales. He just completely increased his revenue. And if you want result like this, please, I would say just book a meeting with us, see our system, see our process. And I'm pretty sure we're going to love our process, and let's see we can work out or not. All you have to do is go to our website, which is poolbizmarketing.co. We have testimonial there. You can watch the testimonial and you can book a meeting with us within our website. I'll put the link of our website in the description so you can see. But now the main thing, how we did this, right? So the process is very simple. If you go to my YouTube channel, and I have put some other videos where I talk about a little bit technical stuff, like how I do that, blah, blah, blah. If you want to do it yourself, go ahead, feel free, subscribe to this channel and watch our content. But if you don't have time, which is completely understandable, you are a business owner, you do pool business, you are expert at what you do. So we can handle the marketing side for you, right? And that's what we do. So this is our process, very simple, but very effective. Okay, so website. Okay, this is the process only for the website. I am not talking about Google Ads. I'm not talking about their Google Map business. So the way they rank on Google Map, we optimize the Google Map too, so that they rank #1. So this is only for the website. So go ahead, website. Okay, so we do website analysis. So the analysis is very in-depth, right? We go all in and check everything from back end of the website, whether something is bugged in their website and there's making issues, so Google can index their all of the pages, or whether they have unnecessary pages, and we do that like in-depth analysis and we find all the issues, right? The next process, we just find all the issues, because these are like red mark issues that we have to fix first. Then we identify room for improvement. So where we can actually improve. Do we need more backlinks from other website, or do we need to like add more content and stuff like that? And then we have like 2-month action plan. And within this 2-month action plan, first of all, we fix website on-page issues. So like content, keyword optimization. So we fix that, which like phrases they want to rank. So which key terms that people are searching, they should rank for and optimize for. So we find those things, which is very, very critical. And then we fix technical issues. So if something is problematic in their website that's hurting their ranking on Google, we're going to fix them right off the bat. And then within this 2-month action plan, we'll get backlinks, we get PR, we'll do citations, we do like other stuff that is improvement. So within 2 months, they're going to see significant amount of results. And our clients keep working with us because in two months, we just give them results instantly. Now, we also run Google Ads. So this is one thing. So when clients close with us, start working with us, we instantly start sending them leads to Google Ads. And we run Google Map Pack ads. And within 2 months, they also start seeing client from their website. So I can guarantee you nobody on the YouTube or no agency will show you their actual rankings of their client and the backend data of their clients. Now, I have the permission to show this stuff on YouTube because I talked with my client and he said, yeah, no, I have no problem if you show it on YouTube. So that's why I'm showing you this. So that's all, guys. Just book a meeting with us and see what we offer. And I can guarantee you that we're going to bring those juicy, like highly interested customers, leads for you if you guys work with us. Now, the consultation is completely free. One more thing. So we are taking one client per location. So we exclusively work with pool business, right? So if we already took a pool business, for example, if we took a pool builder or a pool service company, then we'll not take another pool service company in that location because we don't want to compete for our own clients, right? So if you are from area and you are looking to get more clients, so please book a meeting as soon as possible because we might take another client in that location. So if that happens, we can work with you. So yes, keep watching my content. I'm hopeful that I'm gonna see you very soon. Bye.